When you see clothing in a store, it's almost always arranged by style. Take a look at these shirts. Different colors, different sizes, same style. Before Geek Plus automation, putting clothes out by style took a long time because orders would arrive in boxes from the warehouse completely mixed, pants, shirts, different styles. With our same style, same tote feature, boxes arrive at the store packed by style, ready to be put out on the floor immediately. Our Geek Plus picking system smart software does the work so that store associates don't need to. This is how it gets done. Once items are inbounded in the warehouse, the system automatically rearranges the racks so that the styles are stored on the same rack or near each other. When a style order is ready to be picked, the software will order a pick by group, calling the racks up to the picking station. The racks that have the same style will line up in order. The software tells the picker exactly what to put in the tote or carton on the rebin wall. How many pink, red, green shirts and what sizes. All in one carton, all one style. And away it goes to the store so that the hottest items can get on the floor and to you faster.